Today the normals are going head to head in an unplanned 15-minute battle with 3 mystery ingredients. Right, so the first thing we have to do is work out who's going first to pick all the ingredients. Rock, paper, scissors?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I'm going first. Jay, Clush 1. The protein, pancetta or smoked salmon?
La pancetta, por favor. It's on one plate.
I am not confident with smoked salmon.
Carby, ciabatta or tortilla chips?
I will go for the ciabatta.
Oh,
So already there are 2 ways you can go. Make the best dish yourself or screw him over the most.
For him.
Great. The final cloche.
Are they pears?
I think I'm going to go for pears.
Ooh. We have quite a bountiful store cupboard. You've got 5 minutes to prepare an idea and then 50 minutes to cook it.
I'm in big trouble.
You look ready, but you've looked more confident. 50 minutes starts now.
Okay, what am I doing first? What needs doing first? Let's get this on.
Jamie's straight in, cooking his bacon.
I'm more worried about the time limit than I am the ingredients.
What, going over?
Yeah.
We don't do 15-minute battles very often because they're so hard.
It's just not enough time to think and do.
You're both very busy, but Jamie, what's your plan?
I've just took my finger off.
Okay.
Oh, God.
That makes 2 of us.
15 minutes, but be careful.
Okay, I've got bacon, ciabatta and pear. I'm going to go for bacon and mushrooms on toast with a creamy sauce served with like a balsamic pear salad thing.
Oh, okay. I think I understand the vision. I'm not sure how you're going to do it in time.
Nope, me neither.
Mike, I think Jamie left you with the more challenging set of ingredients.
Oh, just a little bit. If I'd have had the choice between using these ingredients to cook or slamming my willy in a car door, I think I might have taken the second option. So with that in mind, I'm making salmon lasagna.
In 15 minutes?
It's definitely not lasagna, but it's layers of stuff. So I am going to saute off some cabbage with caraway. That's one layer. I'm leaving the salmon as is, not cooking it because it's great to eat and I don't want to ruin it. And then I'm gonna knock up some sort of weird radish, pickle, mayonnaise filling and layer it all on top of each other with nacho crumbs throughout.
There's no meat, there's no tomato, there's no pasta, there's no bechamel.
No.
It's a lasagna because it's layered.
It's a lasagna in the same way as it's also probably like a multi-storey car park. It's just layers. It's just layers.
Mike's definitely pushing himself out of his comfort zone. Jamie,
I don't think I had an option.
How's your bacon coming along?
Cooking away nicely, getting those mushrooms cooked down.
Jay, where's your sticking point here? What are you worried about?
Well, now I've got it all cooking, I'm actually thinking that this isn't difficult enough. So I might have to come up with another element.
Oh, he's threatened by mine, Baz. He's threatened by my stupid idea.
5 minutes gone, you have 10 minutes left.
Oh my goodness, that is
Are
actually
you sure you want to
worrying.
take on something else? Remember, Jamie, sometimes less actually is more.
Shut up, Ebbers!
If you're enjoying seeing these boys stress in a 15-minute battle, like the video.
Let's just blend some radishes. To stick with the texture, I'm just going to roughly chop up some pickles. Oh, I fingered them, everyone. I want the acidity. I almost want this to get somewhere towards like I guess a tartare. It's nothing like it, but that sort of tangy sort of vibe.
As the challenge goes, it's a tough one because you're not a smoked salmon fan, are you?
I respect it, but I don't like it.
Bacon and mushrooms cooked off. I've gone in with some double cream, chopped up some parsley, bit of lemon juice. Classic,
Nice,
right?
classic flavours.
Can we have a time check, Baz?
You have 7 minutes left.
Okay.
Over halfway, boys, come on.
On Saturday, April the 13th, in a world exclusive probably, we have the world's first tag team cooking dogfight erupting in our East London studio. With clashes of personalities, personal infighting, and reputations on the line, this is a foodie frenzy you are not going to want to miss.
I just don't understand how you can be such a terrible cook after 14 years of working on a food channel.
You both seem to be looking at Barry when you're saying these things.
Cook for a queen.
Exactly.
Cook for a dame. Last year the prince, this year the paupers. Serious?
Clueless.
I'm the square. He's a peg. And it's like peg and together.
I'm not picking
and together we were.
There we are.
We are the team of the people.
They can relate to us.
Exactly. We're one of them. You know, we'll be shopping in Aldi or Lidl or something. We won't be going to, Fortnum and Masons. Yeah, posh weirdos.
I kind of feel a little bit sorry for them because they've come into a world they don't understand. We're here cooking all the time. This is our home ground. You're on away turf now. It's an uphill battle and you're going to struggle.
Bring your A game.
I was going to say I'm feeling quite nervous.
Lots of little things going on, but I can't see how it's all going to come together yet.
By stacking it one on top of the other, Baz.
Oh my gosh.
Jamie?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You all right?
What? No, I just nearly burnt my bread.
Nearly burning your pre-baked bread. Oh, just caught it. Oh, okay, delicate little slices.
Delicate little slices.
So what's your added element, or have you chickened out?
I don't know what that added element would
Gonna
be.
need more cabbage. And now that's gonna probably overcook.
Boys, you're going to hate me, but you've got 5 minutes left.
5 minutes, shh, right.
Jamie's off, I think, to get a plate. Mike, do you want a plate while Jamie's there?
Oh, I don't want him to pick it.
So to decide a winner, we're all going to taste it, let you know our thoughts, but the decision is down to you guys. We'll need you to comment down below to tell us who you think has won. Who's doing best so far?
I have no idea how this is gonna go.
Also, I like being on the side.
Shut up.
It's so much more fun and relaxing. Mike, you've not cooked anything apart from cabbage,
I know.
and I still have no idea what it's going to be at the end.
No, me neither.
Tomatoes, which I didn't blacken off enough. They're going into there. I might do a little chili honey and see if that's going to...
Chili honey?
A little chili honey, just to see. We've only got sriracha. I'm doing a sriracha honey to see if that would go well. It might not go well.
Adding a little bit of black pepper to my weird mayo.
Mike, you're doing a lot of seasoning and tasting. Are you confident this is all going to go together?
Yeah, I'm having to add liquid to season my mayo, which now is making it quite loose. So I think what I'm going to do is actually just put my cabbage into the mayo so that it will thicken up. That wasn't the plan. There wasn't really a plan. There was no plan. Creamy, loads of texture, hopefully loads of flavour.
I noticed you've tested everything but the salmon.
Yeah, I assume that tastes good, right?
Oh, how do people do this?
2 minutes left.
Yep.
I think it's time to start plating.
There's actually not much of this.
Find a bit of parsley, find a bit of parsley,
Never
find a bit of
seen
parsley, find a bit of
anything like
parsley.
this.
How long we got, Baz?
You have 20 seconds. I don't know what it is, but it looks intriguing. Come on, boys, so close. 5, 4, 3,
Yep.
2,
Yep.
1.
Yeah.
Time's up. What did you do?
Oh, wow.
I don't know what I did. There's
Okay.
not much of it.
Should we put those into the sexes? Two very different approaches, two very different dishes. Happy?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
I'll let you know once you've eaten it because neither of us like smoked salmon.
I know, ridiculous. Right, dive in.
I really don't like smoked salmon.
It is really well balanced. It's a smart sauce. You've made the mayonnaise work with that dish.
I'm actually really happy with that, all things considered. I'm happy with the texture of the nachos.
Yeah.
I didn't take into consideration the fact that they're heavily salted. So actually, I think when tasting it all together, it might be over-seasoned.
The crunch is a really nice element though. The fact that you get that from the tortilla chips and from the radish, two different types of texture.
Really impressive how you've managed to make that mayonnaise work with salmon. And texturally,
Yes, it's all right. It's all right. This looks like a plate of J.
it does, doesn't it?
And we're getting a bit of everything.
Yeah?
There's 1,000 things happening.
That is a soup. That is the sweetest mushroom and bacon on toast.
It works.
I was confident with all of the separate parts. It's the putting them together that I don't know whether that's going to work.
The freshness of the pear with the naughty bacon and mushroom creamy sauce.
Pear and bacon works really
Right.
good together because pears have sweetness, but they are earthy. So they complement the mushroom together. You get a bit of this honey sriracha. It's also delicious, but it makes it really, really sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it might be too heavy on the honey. It could have just had the sriracha.
Yeah, I actually,
Yeah.
I think that,
More
that
spice.
tastes great, but a little bit more spice and less
Yeah.
sweetness.
Yeah.
That's really, really tasty.
Yeah.
I played it safe and then tried to take a
Yeah.
little walk on the wild side.
By cooking bacon on toast.
I had no options.
Right, let's be brutally honest because we need your help to work out who's won this. That is a tastier plate of food, but you played it very safe. That is very impressive with the ingredients that you've had. But it's not up to us, it's over to you guys. Comment down below who you think won this 15-minute battle.